Hey guys, Wadz with Wadz Up Channel. I was watching Kyle Rutherford from the Dirtbike channel, and he tested out this WR F3 fast foam filter cleaner. So I wanted to give it a shot. Asked these guys to send me a bottle of this to test. We've been up at Mile High, and this bike has gone through hell and back. Excuse my French, but it really has. And so I'm going to pull out this filter. It's probably absolutely just filthy. So I'm going to check out this WR Performance products here, so you can see what kind of condition this filter's in. So here's what we're talking about. WR F3 fast foam filter cleaner. So let's check it out, see what kind of job it actually does. Doesn't really have much of an odor, guys. That's a pretty bang up job in less than 2 minutes. Wow. They weren't joking around, this stuff is fast. So now we're just going to give it a rinse. So guys, yeah, I forgot to put gloves on in the cleaning part, so definitely throw some gloves on. And I just finished rinsing this out. Yeah, it's come up really nice and clean. So now I'm just going to let it dry. In terms of the debate of, why would you use a product like this, I think really what it comes down for me, and I don't know what about you guys, but it comes down to what's your time worth. I said earlier you can get 20 cleans out of a bottle. Actually, it's 10, so correction. So that comes down to about $2 per clean. It's faster. I think it does a way better job in terms of just the overall getting rid of all of the petroleum, dirt and grime. So you clean it, you rinse it, you dry it, you're done. If a lot of guys will say, why don't you just use gas, right? Well, gas, first of all, is not free. There are lots of fumes with the gas, and then even after you clean the filter with the gas, you have to, even after you clean the filter with the gas, you've got to go through step 2 and 3, probably some Dawn soap, and get through it with that, and then you've got to rinse it with water. So that's still a 3-step process. This, in my opinion, is a whole lot faster. Probably easily twice as fast. I think it does a better job. I've tried Dawn soap before, and it's kind of a hassle when you're cleaning petroleum products with Dawn soap. And you still got to rinse it, and it doesn't really do the greatest job. There's still residue left over. And then a lot of guys will say, well, why don't you use turpentine or mineral spirits? Yeah, it's a little less harsh than gas. You don't have the fumes as much anyways. But again, you still got to go through step 2 and 3, with the soap and the water. And, at $2 a clean, I think that's pretty good value. So it's fast, it's effective, it's affordable, and it does a really good job. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Cheers.